the outside leg hang. I strongly recommend you to use a pole crash mat for safety. Let's take a look at the full sequence and then at the segment we're going to work on today. First of all, I want to show you your main grips for the outside leg hang. I'm going to use this one for the demo, but ideally you really want to work it on both sides. My outside leg, the grip is really behind the knee, okay? So I want to touch the pole with the skin behind my knee. I'm going to have the inside part of my waist. And I'm gonna have my chicken wing grip. You will really want to squeeze those trapeze together. So bring those shoulder blades together in your back. You want to put in and up with your belly button, so hook it up. And you would want to squeeze your buttocks and tilt your pelvis. This is the key, the pelvis tilt. Let's try it from the base of the pole first. I'm just gonna lay down here on the pole with my waist touching the pole. My body is straight. Remember that your outside leg hang, it's an horizontal where you're arching in. That's very important for your alignment. I want to touch the pole with the back of my knee and drop my foot, knees pointing up. My outside leg, I'm going to take it out. My inside leg. And what I want to do with it is to press down, to contract that buttocks and tilt my pelvis to really push down with it. Let's try it. You want to get onto your pole. Get onto your straddle. Place the back of your knee on the pole. Start with your knee wrap. You already know the knee wrap, so you feel more confident to start with. Back of my knee, pelvis tilt, thighs on the pole. I'm going to extend my inside leg, squeeze. Really get a good grip here. Tilt my pelvis, and as I let go, I really want to activate those back muscles, the trapeze, and the buttocks, so that I'm pressing down with my foot pressing down on the floor. So you can come back to your knee wrap and slide down, and voila!